it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create an adorable little bracelet? I will be using beads from the newest Softlex Company design kit, California Dreaming, and this was for their Customer Appreciation Week. They made a design kit, and I will leave a link down below for the playlist for all other tutorials using this fabulous kit, and I will also leave a link for the unboxing. It's still available. I will leave a link down below in the description. It was a fabulous kit, very ocean inspired, and it was everything for Sonoma from the ocean. There was like some little orange charms in there to celebrate the citrus that comes from that county. So we're making this adorable little bracelet using the beads in the design kit. I'm using the soft flex wire. It did come with lapis in the kit, but I will just be using silver, and I am mixing the metals. I'm using gold, and that's what came in the bead mix. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And I'm going to be working on the spool that just acts as a bead stopper. So I have my pattern lined out of how I would like all my little starfish. Sure, they're all going the same direction. And these little starfish reminded me of the butterflies and flowers from the bead mix from Just Peachy from the Great Bead Extravaganza. And they are from Bedoria. So I will leave a link down below in the description for that website. It's another small business and friends with Softlex. So we're just going to add on our beads. So nice that everything, we're in autumn and we're looking forward to the holidays, and then we get an ocean themed design kit. And I just love these super sparkly beads. So it's a very simple bracelet and just basic bead stringing, but it's really going to have a statement. So we're just going to add on all our beads to our soft flex wire. And if you use like a turquoise wire or a fluorite wire, you're going to be able to see it through the beads. So we'll just add all of these on until it's time to attach our clasp. So I added on all the beads, and I'm a little short for my bracelet. So a couple design options is we could attach some jump rings, or I'm just going to add on a few more beads. I'll be using these little peridot beads. So we're just going to finish our pattern with our little gold spacers, and then just end on a peridot bead. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So we're just going to move these beads off to the side, and we're going to attach our clasp. So we're going to take one 2x2 and a jump ring. And I always like to attach jump rings to my clasps just in case I would like to extend the bracelet in the future, maybe make it into an anklet or a necklace. Instead of having to restring the project, you can just open up your jump ring. We're just going to give it a little smash and rotate. So we have a little bit of a tail. We're just going to trim off the extra soft flex wire. This is such a pastel colorway. It's so beautiful. And now we're just going to slide our beads down on our soft flex wire. We have our beautiful little bracelet. We're just going to trim a good working length of soft flex. And if you cut more than what you need, you can always save your soft flex wire. You never know when you'll need it for another project. So we're just going to add on the rest of the beads on this side of the wire. Our beautiful little peridot check glass. And for this one, we're just going to attach our jump ring to our lobster claw. Slide on and give it a close. On our clasp and just slide it back through our 2x2. We want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. And we'll just make any adjustments as needed. We take our pliers and give it a smash and rotate for our more professional finish. And then we're just going to trim extra soft flex wire. And we have our beautiful little starfish bracelet, the California Dreaming Design Kit for Customer Appreciation Week. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Have an awesome day.